What's up guys, I am Banker and I am back for another video. I know you'd much rather see Sean or Fuller doing this, but Sean's too busy on his pirate ship and Fuller's too busy pretending that he's on a pirate ship. So you got me. And I figured that the guy who actually works on these trucks you see all the time should probably tell you a little bit about ProRyde. The marketing team, aka Corey over in the corner, told me that I am supposed to mention that they are also on sale right now too, so you're going to want to listen up. You just might want to pick up one of these kits. ProRyde has been manufacturing suspension geometry parts for a few manufacturers since the 80s, but their claim to fame didn't really come around until the mid-2000s. That's when ProRyde noticed that with all the competition in the industry, leveling kits were actually getting more simplistic every year, which typically is a good thing. In general, the simpler something is, the less chance you have of messing something up. ProRyde, on the other hand, didn't want to settle for simple and average. It was their belief that kits were becoming too simplified and didn't offer the heights people wanted. Their basic question was, if you can't control the amount of ride height change, is it really possible to even perfectly level the vehicle? It was this question that drove their passion to create the only patented line of adjustable leveling kits. The first of these groundbreaking products started rolling off the assembly line in 2007, and ProRyde Suspension Systems brand was officially launched. So this is the ProRyde leveling system. As you can see here, they market a lot for the adjustability of the kit, and you'll see right there, SEMA New Product of the Year award. So it is basically three main systems. You have your base, which mounts to your top head of your strut, your adjustable center section, and then the top part which mounts to the vehicle. Now your average leveling kit's going to look something like this, how it is all assembled, your typical strut spacer. But with the ProRyde kit, this centerpiece, get my handy wrench out here, actually moves, which is what makes it adjustable. So let's say, oh my god, oh, okay. So the center section is what makes it adjustable. So let's say you don't want a full 2.5, you want it down to about 2 inches. So we just crank it down a few notches. You can do this with the top hat on there. Set it there. Screw in our jam nut. Tighten it up, and now you have a 2-inch leveling kit. Now let's say your truck sits a little bit higher. Maybe you have a plow in the front. So we loosen up the jam nut, we turn it back up, now you're back up to 2.5, tighten your jam nut, now you're ready for winter, putting the plow on the front. So all of that's in here. Obviously it's all super adjustable. You can actually loosen the nut up and adjust it in the vehicle if you're able to get at, depending on your application, if you're able to get at the adjustable end of everything. So that is how the adjustable leveling kit works right there. You'll also notice the big thing about it, metal, not plastic. So it will last. So these are adjustable kits. It is a little bit difficult to adjust it while it's in the vehicle, whether or not you can get at that adjustment or not. But you always can take it apart, remeasure, and adjust it back with the strut out of the vehicle. So I mean, it's still adjustable, it's still a couple of different variations, but you know, it can be a pain in the ass if you want to switch it constantly. So if you just take some measurements from the ground to your wheel well, as it says in the instructions, do a little bit of math, you'll be able to get it set right away where you want it. And if you do care to adjust it, another measurement, a little bit more math, and you'll get it, you know, set out. So that way, if you put this thing in and set it to 2 inches, install it, and you got a little bit of rake, and let's say you need to go up to 2.5, you know, you can take it back out, turn it up. Maybe you need to go up to like 2.25, take it out, you can turn it. Fully adjustable to make sure you get that exact height you want. ProRyde is actually a Minnesota-based company, and every product they develop is conceived, designed, prototyped, tested, assembled, and packaged in the USA. So similar to every other company out there, including all the US automakers, they utilize American manufacturing facilities as well as worldwide manufacturing partners, including Mexico, Asia, and Canada. So is it 100% American? No, but I mean, what is? Everything, nuts and bolts, are from some factory in China. Just accept it. Toyota's built in Tennessee, but it's Toyota, so it's from Japan. But my GM truck is designed in, you know, Michigan, and it's built in Mexico. So whatever, same with wheels and tires. But that is all I've got for you on ProRyde. You're gonna check out these kits on our website if you need more info or want to pick one of these up. Remember, they will be on sale. Get one while they're hot. Peace.